Good morning everyone. We are going to represent the population graphic constructions in Dubai, Nigeria, China, UK and India. We will also discuss socio-economic comparison. Parameters for comparison are growth rate, literacy rate, GDP per capita, main industries, urban versus rural, population, birth rate and death rate. Now I would like to call India. Now we are going to represent our assigned country, India.
India is a vast and diverse country in the South Asia with around 1.4 people, which makes it the most populated country in the world. Age distribution shows a very young population. More than 50% of the population are below the age of 25. The population pyramid is wide at the base, indicating the fast growth. With around 1020 males per 1000 females in some regions, as you can see.
The literacy rate is around 77.7% and urban areas are more developed than rural areas. Jobs are common in agriculture, industries and IT sectors. Healthcare and education are improving but are still uneven. Many Indians are in rural areas are able to access clear water, electricity. In urban areas, overcrowded and pollution. The literacy rate is around 77.7%, and while the rural areas are still struggling, urban areas are more developed. Education and healthcare are improving but is still uneven. Many Indians in rural areas lack access to clear water and electricity. In urban areas, overcrowded and pollution are the major issues. India faces social challenges like poverty, unemployment and inequality. IT services and pharmaceutical industries are the backbone of India. The Indian socio-economic overview. Growth rate is 6.8%, literacy rate is 77.7%, GDP per capita is $2,500, main industries, IT, agriculture, textiles, urban versus rural, urban is 36%, rural is 64%, birth rate 17.3 upon 1000 and death rate is 7.3 upon 1000. Thank you. Now I would like to call the next country, China.
We are here today to present and discuss population trends, demographic features, social economic indicators and future challenges faced by our country. Our group represents China. China is located in East Asia with a population of about 1.4 billion people. It has recently been overtaken by India in population. The population of China shows that it has a shrinking working age population and increasing elderly population. Its population has been decreasing due to the one-child policy, which has now been relaxed. The birth rate and death rate of China are 7.1 per thousand and 7.6 per thousand.
The literacy rate of China is more than 96%. China has huge manufacturing sector with increasing employment in technology and services. Here you can see the literacy rate of the People's Republic of China in 2015 is 97% and in 1982 it was 66%. It has increased in a huge amount. In less than 35 years, China's literacy rate has increased by over 46%. China's urban residents differ from to benefit property sales in third tier of cities. Urban and rural population projection in millions. China's urban population is increasing more than the rural population. Some of the major causes that are creating a threat in this development are air pollution, crowded cities, and poverty.
Social issues includes aging population, gender imbalance, and regional income inequality. Internationally, China is a global manufacturing hub and a powerful economic and political player. China socio-economic overview: growth rate 5.2%, literacy rate 96.8%, GDP per capita 12,700. Main industries: manufacturing, electronics, mining. Urban versus rural. Urban 63%, rural 37%. Birth rate 7.5 upon 1000. Death rate 7.4 upon 100. Thank you. Now we will invite the country representing Dubai.
Good morning, all of you. Our group is going to represent demographic features, population trends, future problems, and many things more about our assigned country, Dubai. Dubai has a population of around 3.6 million people. It is located in the Middle East in UAE. There are more than million of foreign workers in the country. There is high urban population in the country. There is high male to female ratio in the country because of the foreign immigrants.
The literacy rate in Dubai is 93%.
Dubai faces challenges in water scarcity.
UAE socio-economic overview. Growth rate in UAE is 3.5%. Literacy rate is 93.5%. GDP per capita is $47,000. Main industries are oil and gas, tourism and real estate. Urban versus rural. Urban population is 86% and rural population is 14%. Birth rate is 9.6 upon 1000 and death rate is 1.5 upon 1000.
Now we will like to invite the country youth.
Good morning, everyone. We are here to present and discuss the demographic features, socio-economic challenges, future problems of our assigned country. Our group represents United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is located in Europe and has a population of around 67 million. The population touches mostly in the age of 60. The population also has a stable gender distribution. Most of the people in United Kingdom are of the age 60 and the birth rate and death rate of United Kingdom is very low. The birth rate of United Kingdom is 10.3 per unit thousand.
The literacy rate of UK is 99% and most people are employed in services, finance and technology sectors. Social challenges of UK include an aging population, housing shortage and income inequality.
United Kingdom socio-economic overview. The growth rate of United Kingdom has 0.5% in its country and the literacy rate as shown is 99% with most of the males and females studying equally. GDP per capita is $46,000 which is significantly higher than most of the countries. Main industries are finance, manufacturing and technology. The urban versus rural. Urban 83%, rural 70%. This shows that in United Kingdom, most people live in urban areas like cities and less people live in rural areas like villages. Birth rate is 11.0 per unit thousand and death rate is 9.0 per unit thousand. Now I would like to invite the group which is representing Nigeria.
Good morning, everyone. We are going to represent Nigeria and talk about its problems, issues, and factors. Nigeria is a country located in West Africa. It has a population of 223 million people. The population pyramid of Nigeria is very wide at the bottom, showing rapid growth. Nigeria has a very young population, in about which 60% people are under the age of 25. The gender ratio is also roughly equal. Nigeria is highly developing and has urbanization in countries like Lagos. The literacy rate of Nigeria is 62%, which is lower in women. Nigeria has people working in oil, agriculture and informal sectors.
Social issues include poverty, youth unemployment, and corruption. Globally, Nigeria is an oil producer and has a growing voice in African affairs. Nigeria socio-economic overview. Growth rate is 3.1%, literacy rate is 62%, GDP per capita is $2,400. Main industries oil, agriculture and services. Urban versus rural. Urban 52%, rural 48%. Birth rate 37.3 per thousand, death rate 11.2 per thousand.
Nigeria can learn from India's digital education and Dubai's infrastructure development.
Now I would like to call Stavya for the conclusion.
I will tell you about comparative highlights of these countries. The maximum growth rate in these countries has India about 6.8, and the literacy rate is highest in the UK with 99, and the GDP per capita in dollar is the highest in Dubai, about 47,000. Urban population in these countries has most with Dubai with 86%, and birth rate is in Nigeria about 36.9%, and death rate is also in Nigeria about 11.4%. UAE and the UK top in the GDP per capita, and Nigeria has highest birth rate but lowest literacy. India has higher growth with low GDP per capita. China balanced high literacy and economic output. UK is highly urbanized but growth rate is low. Each country presents a unique socio-economic profile. Understanding global diversity helps us navigate different challenges and strengths. Thank you.